How to add social links on your Facebook profile. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add social links on your Facebook profile. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Facebook app, and then you have to click these three lines on the bottom right corner, and now you have to click your profile over here. Now it's going to bring you to your profile page, and here you have to click edit profile. And here you have to scroll through and find this option that says links. Right next to it you'll see this add option, and click add. Now once you click add, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you can just add links. Now you can click add new link over here, and once you do so, now you have to choose a platform. For example, I'm going to choose this Instagram platform, and then once you have chosen the platform, now you have to add your username. My username is youtubing.59. Once you have added your username, click save, and now you can see that my link has been added, and now you can make it public if you want, or you can choose the privacy as per your convenience. And that's how you add social links to your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.